You won't believe it with just a handful of rice that we eat every day. Even deep wrinkles can start to fade after only a few uses. No expensive creams, no spa treatments. This simple formula once amazed dermatologists with how fast and safe it works. Watch until the end because the secret to youthful glowing skin is hiding right in your own kitchen, and you'll be surprised you didn't discover it sooner. First, add about 6 tablespoons of rice into a small bowl. Then rinse it thoroughly with water twice to remove any dirt, impurities, and excess starch. This step helps the rice become cleaner, whiter, and smoother, ensuring that the skincare mixture you'll create later absorbs evenly and delivers maximum benefits to your skin. Rice has long been known as an ancient beauty secret among Asian women because it's rich in vitamins B and E, as well as powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, brighten the skin, and maintain its natural elasticity. In addition, ferulic acid in rice protects the skin from UV damage, while its natural starch layer helps lock in moisture, soothe irritation, and nourish the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and healthy. Next, place the rinsed rice into a pot, add boiling water, and cook for about 10 minutes. During this process, the nutrients in the rice will infuse into the water. Don't throw this water away as it contains valuable vitamins and minerals. Once the mixture cools down, strain it to collect the clear liquid. This is your natural rice water toner. It works as a gentle, hydrating toner that helps balance your skin's pH, tighten pores, soothe irritation, and brighten your complexion effectively. Because of its incredible benefits, women in Japan and Korea have been using rice water for centuries to wash their faces, whiten their skin, and maintain a smooth, youthful complexion without relying on expensive cosmetics. You can pour the rice water into a small spray bottle for easy use every morning and evening. Simply mist it lightly over your face and gently pat it in until absorbed. You'll instantly feel your skin refreshed, soft, and radiant like it's been awakened after a long day. Store the rice water toner in the refrigerator and use it within 5 days to preserve its nutrients. With consistent use every morning and evening, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and more radiant day by day. As for the cooked rice, blend it thoroughly until you get a creamy, smooth texture like a natural moisturizer. This is the most nutrient-rich part, packed with vitamins B and E, along with essential minerals that deeply nourish, soothe, and hydrate your skin from within. Divide the blended rice into 2 equal portions. From these, we'll create 2 different skincare formulas, each with its own unique benefits to help you care for your skin more completely right at home. Now, let's start with the first formula. Begin by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the rice mixture. Olive oil is rich in healthy fatty acids and antioxidants that deeply moisturize the skin, soften its texture, reduce fine lines, and protect it from environmental damage. Next, add 1 pump of almond oil, a rich natural source of vitamin E. Almond oil helps improve skin elasticity, brighten dull areas, and restore dry or tired-looking skin, leaving it healthy and radiant. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. This natural humectant helps the skin retain moisture, keeping it plump, smooth, and hydrated. When you mix these 3 ingredients with the blended rice, you'll create a gentle yet highly effective natural moisturizer that deeply nourishes dry, dehydrated, or aging skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. The application is very simple. After cleansing your face, apply a thick layer of the mixture to your face, neck, and the backs of your hands, areas that often get dry and show fine lines. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water to allow your skin to fully absorb the nutrients. This mask is especially ideal for dry, sensitive, or dehydrated skin that tends to look dull. The cool, silky texture provides an instant soothing effect like a mini spa treatment at home. After just a few uses, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and more radiant all naturally, without the need for any expensive creams. You can store the remaining mask in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days to use gradually. With consistent use about 3 to 4 times per week, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, smoother, and those fine lines slowly fading away, revealing a naturally radiant and youthful glow. What about you? Are you on Team Natural, using simple ingredients from your kitchen, or Team Skincare with ready-made cosmetic products? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So, we've just finished the first mask, a deeply moisturizing formula that helps smooth fine lines and leaves the skin soft, plump, and radiant. Now, let's move on to the second recipe, a brightening and revitalizing mask designed to restore dull, tired skin, giving it a fresh, healthy glow every day. First, add 1 pump of avocado oil to the mixture. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, known for their ability to soften, repair, and rejuvenate dry or flaky skin. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, making it perfect for dry, sensitive, or mature skin that needs extra nourishment. Next, add 1 pump of rosehip oil, often called the natural anti-aging warrior. This oil is packed with omega-3 and 19 fatty acids and powerful antioxidants that help reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and protect the skin from environmental damage. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is well known for its ability to soothe, deeply hydrate, and calm redness, leaving your skin feeling refreshed, soft, and supple after every use. Mix all the ingredients until the texture becomes smooth and fully blended. This combination creates a wonderful natural skincare formula that not only revives dry, dull skin, but also enhances elasticity and slows down the aging process. After cleansing your face, apply an even layer of the mixture to your face and neck, Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This formula is especially beneficial for dry, tired, or sensitive skin as it provides deep hydration repair and natural rejuvenation, leaving your skin soft, glowing, and full of life. Right after the first use, you'll feel your skin become softer, cooler, and noticeably smoother. Thanks to the rich nutrients from these natural ingredients, your complexion will gradually turn brighter, healthier, firmer, and more radiant day by day. It may sound simple, but you'll be amazed once you try it, trust me. Store the mixture in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days to preserve its natural goodness. With consistent use, 2 to 3 times a week, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, plumper, and glowing with natural vitality. Have you ever tried using natural ingredients to care for your skin? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know which recipe helped your skin become smoother, brighter, and more radiant. So, we've just explored 2 rice-based skincare recipes that deeply hydrate, brighten, and naturally restore your skin. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health and beauty tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you good health and peace always. See you in the next video.